I've never seen anything so beautiful in my life. I'm in awe right now. After an intense running to catch the train, we're here now in Agra, famous for, of course, the one and only the Taj Mahal. I can't wait to see it. It's actually, I'm sorry to say, but it's cleaner than the Mathura station. Still a lot of people, but tolerable compared to the Mathura station. We're gonna go ahead and go to our hotel and probably get some good night's sleep before we go for the big cake, the Taj Mahal.
11,077 जाओ पुणे जम्मूतरी झेलम एक्सप्रेस अपने निर्धारित समय पर
retire. You give throne to my elder son, no to the others. So in the first wish, he no more marriage. She died on 1630, he died on 1666.
We're now here in Agra, and our driver was just saying that Agra is the city of love. It's because of the Taj Mahal. If you go through the history way back why the Taj Mahal was built, it's actually a commemoration for his wife.
So this is our room. We're now here in Agra, and it's called Aman Homestay.
Can you tell us the highlight of this place?
Oh my God, the people are good looking!
We are so sorry.
Super cute ni Kuya kanina sa reception.
Lahat sila. Give us a search.
Hello!
Ako pag napulok-pulok kayo ha, walang dalawa.
From here to go to only 2 minutes walking in Taj Mahal gate. We were not allowed to go.
Good morning, Drix!
Hi, good morning.
We're on our way to the Taj, and we're rushing.
We're always
The sun is because we wanna catch it.
Yeah, we're
The
always trying to catch
sunrise.
things.
And you're the only thing we can catch? Love.
It's gonna be a wonderful day.
Look at that, it's beautiful. Oh my god, hello there.
It's weekend and there's a lot of people. I'm supposed to get a sunrise of. Everybody's just trying to capture a picture. I'm giving you something that's raw. If ever you want to try to visit, but this time, even if there's so many people, it's, oh my god, I'm in awe right now. I need to take off my glasses. This is just amazing. I've never seen anything so beautiful in my life. I'm in awe right now. I'm trying to move closer as I can just to get a real view of how grand and how beautiful it is.
We're here. Look, it's majestic.
Robins on the wall inside my head, inside of me, holding all the...
No problem.
So we're on our way to Agra Fort. And I think it's massive. Kaya nga I said 3 hours, see? It's humongous. Oh my god. Look.
We're entering the Agra Fort. As you can see, it's huge. Here with me is Tina. Hi, Tina. And Marush. My god. Oh my god. So huge. We're here at the Agra Fort and they weren't kidding when they wanted to build things. It's huge. You can even capture everything in just one shot. It's so huge. That's a 360 view of, it's like a foyer area where the entrance leads to it. We're gonna try to capture a little bit more once we go inside, and hopefully it's gonna give us more details. I guess it's just, yeah. They have squirrels here. I'm scared. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, rats. It's just a huge empty space for me. Yeah, I think armies were supposed to be lining here, but apart from that, it looks like more of a castle or... I hope they will like